Did you know that Google is secretly installing this application on every Android smartphone and tablet running version 9.0 and up? And this app has the ability to scan all of the photos that you receive through applications like Google Messages. The company says none of this data is being sent to or stored on a server in a data center somewhere, but you can actually stop this from happening with a single tap. Most of you are probably not aware of what this application is or what it even does. Google announced plans for an app like this a few months ago, but it's not until now that we're seeing more and more people talking about how this was installed without their permission, which is a big red flag if you ask me. You can't expect everyone to follow Google's official blogs or to even keep up with the headlines within the Android community in general. So, from their perspective, this application is going to seem like malware because Google didn't send any prompts to inform the user that it was going to be installed. We even have devices from companies like Xiaomi, which will actively scan each and every application that is being installed. So in many cases, people's firmware is alerting them of this mysterious app that is being installed without their knowledge, and it has had people panicking about if their phone has been hacked. To clear that part up real quick, this application is not malware in the traditional sense. It was not installed by a hacker, and it's not sitting there on your device collecting or sending your data anywhere. I actually have a separate dedicated video about what this application is for and how it works. So if you're curious about the technical details, then I'll be sure to include a link to that down in the video description below. But you'll also be able to find that link in the pinned comment here as well, so that it's easy for everyone to find. The gist of what is going on here is that Google wants to provide an application that can automatically scan every photo that has been sent to your smartphone or tablet. This scanning is done entirely on the device, so your images aren't being sent to the cloud somewhere. But Google says the idea is to use this application to catch when unwanted, explicit images are sent, and then to block it by giving a warning message, allowing the user to decide if they want to see that photo or not. You can see how something like this can be helpful to those who are getting harassed or even young children who have started to receive unwanted messages. With that said, there are going to be some people who do not want this type of protection on their phone, who does not want an unknown application scanning every photo, even if it's all being done directly on the device. And there are some of us who believe the way Google went about this is just plain wrong. Maybe it could have been done better by sliding it in as part of a bigger over-the-air update. That way, they could at least point to the release notes and say that they prompted the user about this application. Instead, the app is being installed on hundreds of millions of devices around the world, and people who own the device aren't even being made aware that anything has been happening. With how sneaky Google is being with this new application, at least there is an easy way to stop it from touching your images. We can do this by first launching the Settings application, and then scrolling through this menu here so that you can tap on the Apps option. Now, from here, we're going to expand this list to show all of the apps that we have installed. And then you're going to look in the top right corner for this 3-dot menu icon. We tap that and then select the Show System Apps option so that we can see every application installed on our smartphone or tablet. If you want, you can start scrolling through this list, but you could also just do a search for something like Core or even Safety, and that should filter out many of the results so that you can tap into the app info page for the Android system SafetyCore application. From here, you can either tap on the uninstall button, which most people are going to be able to do right now. However, if this application has been installed from the factory, like many suspect will happen with future devices, then at least you should be able to tap on a disable button instead of uninstall. But we're just going to tap on uninstall and confirm we want to uninstall that app from our device. Now, don't get me wrong. I completely understand why Google created an application like this, but I feel they went the wrong way about getting it installed on Android smartphones and tablets around the world. At the very least, a notification should appear telling the user that the application has been installed and then explaining what that app actually does. I think most people would have appreciated that bit of information, even if it was installed in the middle of the night without your consent. But Google has caused millions of people to panic because they're finding this strange app on their phone without any explanation. At the very least, you're able to quickly stop this from happening though. Just make sure that you're checking for this app every now and then, since I've been reading that Google has reinstalled it after it had already been removed. So, if you found this application on your device, then feel free to share your experience down in the comment section below. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel, as we're getting really close to that 100,000 subscriber milestone, so each and every sub counts.